go. A little slow on the start, but she got there. What I tell you about that frost, guys? It's not as bad in person as it is in the camera. The camera makes it worse. Shooting across the neighborhood to go pick up my cousin, Brandon. He'll be fishing with us today. See you guys when we get there. There he is. There's Brandon. Loading the stuff in the back of the truck. Ready to go. What's up, B? What's up? Ready to do this?
I just slammed my front toe in the damn door, bro.
Alright, guys. Let's do it. What is up, you guys? Isaac G, aka Rippin'Lips 36 here to do another video. Today we made it back to the golf course. Fishing with Brandon today. Gonna have a good time and catch some fish. Let's do it. Gonna do some golf course pond fishing. Gonna start off with the wake bait. I don't think you guys have seen this at all. I picked up a swim bait combo. Curado 300, Dobbins Fury, and I got a little aftermarket Gomex through handle, and I even put on some shrink wrap, get a little better look, some grip when casting. Might have to wait for that sun.
2,000 years later.
God damn it. Why?
Let's go that way. You gotta go kind of quick. Is you need to do that or like hide in that tree?
I think there's a hole over there that opened back up.
As soon as we start getting bit.
No.
I'm kind of pissed.
We are back out after escaping.
One eternity later.
There he is. Wasn't even looking. He almost ripped the rod out of my hand. See, look at all the grass I'm bringing with them, and it's the braid. I just right through.
It's a good one.
Skinny. Good 2-pounder. Cool. Nice frogfish, guys. Okay. Wait, hold up. How big is he? Where's he at?
Straight ahead, right. Alright, like right under what I just casted.
Do you see him?
He was literally just right in the middle.
I don't have anything that'll sink, so. Ooh, oh. Nice. No. That was sick. That was badass. off. All right, you guys, and that's gonna be it for today's video. Glad to be back. I've actually been fishing a lot, okay? If I'm not making videos, I'm usually posting the catches on Instagram. Go follow me at Rippin'Lips_36 on Instagram to, just keep up with what I'm doing, where I'm at, what I'm catching if I'm not posting YouTube videos. But it feels good to finally make a video. Fun day, got up at 6 o'clock, picked up Brandon, headed to the golf course. It was a bit of a slower day, but it was still good to get out there and catch some fish. Glad to be back, and more videos to come. I promise you guys that. And as always, IZG, aka Rippin'Lips36, signing out.